coming out for this World Press briefing of the 100 most notable Africa Leadership and Business Summit that will be taking place in Kigali, Rwanda. My name is Ambassador Kingsley Amafibe. I'm the Project Director Africa for the 100 most notable Peace Icon Africa. Now today, we want to celebrate trailblazers shaping Africa's future, capturing the attention of leaders across Africa and business executives. There's a pressing need for visionary leaders and strategic governance, transparency, partnership to drive positive change and unlock the continent's full potential. Africa rises as a beacon of business hub driven by innovation and transformation. This and many more will be discussed at the summit in Kigali. This summit will boast business in Africa in providing new productive direction and vision in motivating and inspiring delegates and partners. This will help to create an environment of conducive for investment opportunity, promotion, communication, and collaboration among leaders. The summit features inside lectures, high-impact networking, and engaging panel discussion. The summit will ensure political campaign with transparent governance, which will build investors' confidence. Effective collaboration among African nations is essential for sustainable growth in Africa. Knowledge sharing, then protecting and promoting our borders initiative that allows nations to share best practices in areas like agriculture, education, and health. This will help Africa leaders leverage their contribution and ease border restriction to boost trade while maintaining a security framework that addresses common threats. Join us as we unveil the 100 most notable Peace Icon Africa 2025. And this includes the likes of Burna Boy, Aliko Dangote, Pastor Biodu Fatoyinbo, Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, Thames, Diamond Platinum, Tony Elumelu, Mohamed Salah, the governor of Jigawa State, the media chairman, Nduka Baibena, and so many. These are individuals who have showcased relevance, commitment to nurturing new leaders, fueling economic growth and uplifting positive change across various sectors. Africa, with its diverse people, landscape, and dynamic population, presents an appealing invitation. This event is a dynamic platform to bring together people to explore significant trends, challenges, opportunities, collaboration, and partnership. Join us as we honor these individuals who have not only created job opportunity, but create impact in their society. This event will be held in Marriott Hotel, Kigali, from the 4th to 6th of July, 2025. We want to welcome the private sector and the public sectors to unite with us on this remarkable journey. I want to thank you especially for coming out.
Thank you very much.
First of all, let me answer your question. Now, why people say, why Kigali? Sometimes when you want to identify with people, you identify with their culture, tradition, and everything. Now, we picked out, maybe look through our search to see that maybe Rwanda is one of the most peaceful places across Africa. If you visit Rwanda, you understand what I'm talking about. Now, we chose Rwanda. Now, the plan has always been host. Every country we host 2 times. Now, familiarity, first time, then the second time we get to get involved, because sometimes when you come to a place first, people don't get to know you first. Now, the second time, the government gets involved and everybody gets involved. So that's why. And Nigeria, I tell you, it's not that maybe we don't want to host in Nigeria, but I think for now, we will continue to host it across Africa before it gets to hosting right for Nigeria.
And the second one is, do you have any intention of...
Now, we are building like a skill acquisition program for, like he talked about, for mentorship for young leaders. And this, in the process, will be unveiled as the program runs through.
The commitment to stakeholders.
Commitment to stakeholders. Now, we believe that these are initiatives that we believe that are productive, that government or agencies should look into. You know, initiatives like this that keep people, that inform people of opportunities. Because I remember last year when we did the event in Kigali, we had somebody in Nigeria who came and invested over $2 million in a property in Kigali. So these are initiatives that we think that if Africa as a people, we draw attention to opportunities like this. As young leaders, the first thing you do, you have to create a content that fits you, not to venture into everything. So summit like this bring in young leaders who we feel can drive the next generation. Because I tell people, like most houses you see today, some were built like 15 years ago, and the architect of those houses now, we say the future, and they were able to build house that is competing with the current ones today. So if we young leaders or young entrepreneurs can take up that virtue to concentrate on a particular trade and put your mind in it, I tell you, the right investors will come.